Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here Muhammad Tayyib from Army Public School and College Khanewal. Your class is 9th and your subject is physics and week is 5th online support program. Today topic is 2 and your subject teacher is Mr. Muhammad Tayyib. Today our topic is potential energy and our objective is at the end of the lesson students will be able to understand potential energy. And day is 2. First of all, we will discuss our previous topic, kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is called kinetic energy. Consider a body of mass m moving with velocity v. The body stops after moving through some distances due to some opposition force, such as a force of friction acting on it. The body possesses kinetic energy and it is capable to do work against opposition force F until its kinetic energy is used up. Kinetic energy is equal to work done. Kinetic energy is equal to Fs, Vi is equal to V, and Vf is equal to 0. And the formula, we can simplify that and we get the answer kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Now we will come back to our today topic, potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in an object due to its position above the Earth's surface. And the definition in your textbook is the energy possessed by a body due to its position is known as the potential energy. The formula of potential energy is mgh. M is a mass, that is measured in kilogram. G is the gravitation field strength, that is measured in Newton per kg. And H is a height. And EP means gravitational potential energy, that is measured in joule. Now we will drive the potential energy. You know that the formula of work done is W is equal to Ft, and you know that F is equal to Ma. We will put the value F is equal to Ma and D. We have already read that in the definition, and the energy processed by a body due to its position. That's why we can take the value of D is equal to H. Then A is equal to G and D is equal to H. The potential energy is equal to mgh. This is a formula of potential energy. Next is the gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh. M is the mass, G is the gravitational acceleration, and the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square, and H is a height. Next is the example of the potential energy. A stretch bow has the potential energy due to its stretched position. When released, the stored energy of the bow pushes the arrow out of it. The energy present in the stretch bow is called the elastic potential energy. You can see that in this slide, the energy present in the stretch bow is called the elastic potential energy. Next example is that the potential energy possessed by a hammer is due to its height. Store water possesses potential energy due to its height. The hammer is up to the some height has the ability to do work because it possesses potential energy. This is the example of potential energy. Next, I will show you the animation about the potential energy that is more helpful to you for learn.
Potential energy and its forms. In our earlier session, we have learned about kinetic energy and its forms. In our present session, let us learn about potential energy. Potential energy is one of the types of mechanical energy. Potential energy is type of stored energy. Potential energy is the energy possessed by a body to do work by virtue of its position or state of strain or state of configuration. In definition, potential energy is defined as the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its state. The unit of potential energy is kilograms meters. Forms of potential energy. There are different forms of potential energy. 1. Chemical potential energy. 2. Nuclear potential energy. 3. Gravitational potential energy. 4. Elastic potential energy. Chemical potential energy. The energy is in the form of chemical energy, which is stored in the bonds between the atoms. When the bonds are broken, the stored energy is released and absorbed, and new bonds are formed. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is another stored form of potential energy in the nucleus. The fusion of atoms or split of atoms through a reaction is called as nuclear reaction. In nuclear reaction, if atoms split into new atoms, then it is called as nuclear fission. In nuclear reaction, if atoms join together to form new kind of atoms, is called as nuclear fusion. Gravitational potential theory. Gravitational energy is another form of potential energy. Any energy that is used to work against the gravitation is called gravitational energy. For example, when we lift an object away from the ground, the energy that is gained by the object is said to be as gravitational potential energy. If we drop the object towards the ground, then potential energy turns into kinetic energy. Elastic potential theory. Elastic energy is a form of stored potential energy. Elastic energy is stored in compressed gas or compressed liquid, a coiled spring, or stretched elastic band. The elastic energy is a reversible present on the bonds between the atoms. When the bonds are stressed, the energy is absorbed. When the bonds are released, the energy is released.
Next is the example of 6.3. A body of mass 50 kg is raised to height 3 meter. We have seen that the mass is equal to 50 kg and the height h is equal to 3 meter. What is the potential energy? Potential, we have to find the potential energy. And the value of G is 10 meter per second. The formula is potential energy is equal to mgh. We will put the value of m 50 and the value of G is 10 and the height h is equal to 3 meter. Multiply by 50, 10 and 3, then we can get the result of 1500 joule and the potential energy is 1500 joules. Next is your assignment, learn and write potential energy. Thank you.